It's all insulated skirting. Both doors to the house are on this end. This is the kitchen, dining room, and living room. Central AC unit comes with the house. We don't install that, but it does come with it. All the appliances, washer and dryer come with it. One full bathroom off the dining room kitchen here. This house has 2 wings. We've got that wing down to that end. And then we've got the wing down to this end. There is 2 bedrooms and another bathroom right here, full bathroom. Bedroom. And a bedroom down at this end. There's a 50-gallon water heater right here, and it's all electric. This house will require 200 amp service, electric furnace, electric water heaters, and electric range. Down to this end, get your furnace right here. Got a storage closet right here. Down here we've got another full bathroom. And right here we've got 2 bedrooms. Another big bedroom here, built-ins, and another big bedroom here, and another 50-gallon water heater. So there's 2 50-gallon water heaters in this house. That is the grand tour. It is 16 feet wide by 76 feet long. This is a Fleetwood brand 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house.